My name's Phoebe Tonkin. What do I say?
State your name.
Phoebe Tonkin.
First thing you do when you wake up.
Make coffee.
Current beauty philosophy.
Don't get too much sun, swim in the ocean, and take your makeup off before bed.
What's always in your handbag?
Phone, earphones, lip balm, book, wallet.
Do you look at the ingredients in your beauty products?
I do. I should more.
Hidden talent.
I can balance 3 spoons on my face.
Best piece of advice anyone has ever given you?
Just be kind to people, even if they're not kind to you.
Current podcast or TV obsession?
Mind Hunter, the OA, and I just started rewatching The English Office.
What keeps you up at night?
The noise that my air conditioning unit's making.
Cause you're most passionate about right now?
The environment and our effect on climate change.
Name your all-time beauty icon.
Chrissy Turlington.
Weirdest beauty trick that actually works?
Ice. It's probably really bad for your skin, but just ice on your, just rubbing ice all over your skin, or putting your head in a bowl of ice water.
Biggest spice?
I eat a lot of sugar. That's probably my worst one. Bye guys.
Thanks, bye.
Thanks, bye.